Hello everyone, welcome back to the Enterprise Java session. In this session, we will see how to create a Java web application in the NetBeans. In the last video, we already saw how to create a Java application to write a basic Java code in NetBeans. Now to write a servlets, JSP, EJB code, right? For that we have to create a Java application. So let us start with to create a Java web application in the NetBeans. For that we have to go to the file, new project. In new project we have to select Java web application. Then on the right hand side select web application, click on next. It will just activating the Java Web EEE Enterprise Edition. Just wait for some time. It will load the web and EE component, that is your enterprise components. Now here we will input the project name. So this is my EJ web application, and again there is a project location. Okay, you can save the project, you can browse this path, you can save the project on the different directory also. Okay, so now I am keeping the same path. Click on next. After clicking of next, right, we will select the server, because web application requires a server for its execution. So by default, right, it is selected as Apache Tomcat. Now I want to change the server to Glassfish. So we will add this server. Just click on this add button. There is a server you can find out here, that is your Glassfish server. Just click next, and then just download the server from the internet. Okay, so there is a download now button. Just click on this button. It will start the downloading of Glassfish server. Just wait for some time. As we can see here, the Glassfish server is downloaded, right, and added in the server list of the NetBeans. So now we will select Glassfish server, because the execution of this Glassfish server as compared to Apache Tomcat is faster. Therefore, we are using Glassfish server for executing our web application. Now just click on next. These are the options, right? We do not select any option here, and just click on finish. So on the clicking of finish, it will create a web application in the NetBeans, and by default index.html file is created by the NetBeans in the project. As we can see in the project, right, this is my web application project and this is my Java application project. The difference, we can see the difference in the icon of the project. This is my EJ web application. Just click on this plus sign. Right, there is a 4 directories or folders: web pages, source packages, libraries, and configuration files. In the web pages, there is a file index.html. In the source package, we don't have any file. In this, in source package, we will create a coding file. Right, whatever the code, right, we write in the servlets or JSP or in enterprise Java bean EJB, we will create a source file, that is my .java file in the source package, and all the design files, that is my .html files, are created in web pages. Okay, so now this is the basic steps to create a Java web application in the NetBeans. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.